Knit 2 together through the back loop is a left-leaning 1-stitch decrease. In this video I'll show you how to do it both Continental style and English style. So to knit 2 together through the back loop, Continental style, you're going to insert your working needle purlwise into the top 2 stitches at the same time through the back of the stitch. Wrap your yarn just like you do when you knit, bring it through those 2 stitches and slide them off the needle. To do it English style is exactly the same, it just looks a little bit different. Since you're holding the yarn in your other hand, you insert the needle through the back loops of the first 2 stitches purlwise. Wrap the yarn just like you do when you knit. Bring it through those 2 stitches at the same time and slide them off your needle.